Buenos dias, mijos y mijas. Hello once again, boys and girls. We're going to work some more today with Los Esqueletos, that fun little song that we did the other day with tumba, tumba, tumba. Remember that with the drumming? Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Let's do some more with it though. Let's work with the verses. Now the verses, there's only 10 of them, which it's a counting game, and 10 is a pretty good number to count to, although this is with a clock, and you'll notice there's no 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock in this game. It stops at 10. Why does it stop at 10? I don't know. Maybe because it's bedtime at 10 o'clock. If you're up past 10 o'clock, you're up too late, friends. But our very first verse and all the other 10 verses have motions that you can do. You can make up these motions based on what they are. And so you can do that if you know what the words mean. So I'm here to help you with that. The first verse is, Cuando el reloj marca la una, los esqueletos sale de su tumba. I'll leave the words here, and I will also put them into the song so you can sing along if you know how to say them. Okay? So first part, cuando el reloj, and that means when the clock. Marca la una, the one. When the clock strikes the one. Los esqueletos. That's a fun word to say. Los esqueletos. That means the skeletons. And here's the part that is new for one. Sale de su tumba. They rise from their tombs. They rise from their graves. So the whole first part is, Cuando el reloj marca la una, los esqueletos sale de su tumba. How are you going to rise from the grave? Well, you could just start by laying down on the ground and then getting up again. Oh, that may be it. That may be how you rise from your grave. Okay? Let's go on to verse number 2. Cuando el reloj marca la dos, los esqueletos, here's the new part, comen arroz. Say that with me. Comen arroz. Comen arroz means eat rice. So you're eating rice. Arroz is rice. Comen is eat. So you eat rice when the clock strikes 2, if you're a skeleton. Now, there's an obvious way to do that, but you can make it your own style. And of course, if you're a skeleton, when you're eating that rice, if you hold the bowl really close to your body and you eat the rice, it just dribbles out the bottom of your skull because you don't have any skin or muscles to hold it in. And it goes right back into the bowl and you can keep eating it forever and ever. Isn't that handy? Okay, verse number 3. Cuando el reloj marca la tres, because tres means 3. Los esqueletos se vuelven al revés. Everybody say, se vuelven al revés. That means they turn upside down. Whoop! Oh, I'm upside down. Turn me back, turn me back. Oh, whew, thank you. Wait, how does that work? Do I just snap my fingers and, I'm upside down. I snap my fingers again. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's what you do for number 3. How do you turn upside down? Okay, number 4. Cuatro is 4. So let's say that one. Cuando el reloj marca la cuatro, los esqueletos, here's the new one, se van al teatro. Everybody say, se van, they go, al teatro, to the theater. They go to the theater. They watch a movie. Why not? Seems logical. Okay, that's number 4. Number 5. How you say 5 in Spanish? Cinco, right? Cinco. So it's cuando el reloj marca las 5, los esqueletos se pegan un gran brinco, which means the skeletons do a big jump. Okay? So you can do a big jump, probably bigger than my jump, right? Se pegan un gran brinco. They do a big jump. Se pegan Un gran brinco. We do a big jump. Okay. Seis. 6. On number 6. The new word, the new thing that they do. Say this with me. Juegan ajedrez. Juegan is to play. Ajedrez is a game called chess. We know it as chess in English. In Spanish, ajedrez. So it almost kind of rhymes. So, juegan ajedrez. They play a game of chess. So number 6 goes like this. Cuando el reloj marca las 6, los esqueletos juegan ajedrez. Qué bueno. Next one. 7. Siete. This one's exciting. Siete. When the clock strikes 7, los esqueletos, listen up, se montan. Say that. Se montan. En cohete. Yeah, if you speak Spanish, you know I just said they ride on a rocket. What? Skeletons ride on a rocket? Yep, I can't make this stuff up. That's how the game goes. The skeletons ride on a rocket. So the 7 goes like this. Cuando el reloj marca las 7, los esqueletos se montan en cohete. Oh, exciting. Show me your motion for riding on a rocket. That's got to be an exciting one. And if you can, float up in the air all the way to the moon. Ready, go. Okay, number 8. Ocho. Ocho. We're almost to 10. Ocho. They're going to eat something again. Bizcocho. Biscuits. They're going to eat biscuits or cookies, some yummy baked goods. So you can make motions like you're eating something, but do it like a skeleton would. How would they eat something? What would that look like? So, number 8 goes, Cuando el reloj marca la 8, los esqueletos comen bizcocho. Right? Okay, number 9. Number 9, nueve. Everybody say nueve. Nueve is 9. And los esqueletos, todos se mueven. That means everybody's moving. Everybody's busting out their moves, their best skeleton moves. And this one, you can get really creative on because how does a skeleton dance? Nobody knows. It's up to you to make that part up. So, cuando el reloj marca la 9, los esqueletos todos se mueven. They bust out their moves. Okay, that brings us to 10. And 10 in Spanish is diez. Everybody say diez. That's 10, diez. When the clock strikes 10, los esqueletos se duermen otra vez. Everybody say this. Se duermen, that means they sleep. Otra vez, which means again. They go back to sleep again at 10. Because like I said, 10 is your bedtime. If you're up past 10, it's too late, my friend. Okay? You're going to be grouchy and hungry and hangry all the next day. Okay. So let's do 10, and then we'll get right to the video. And you can do your dances. And if you're really spry, you can sing the words right along with it. It just takes a little bit more practice sometimes, especially if you're not naturally a Spanish speaker. But you can learn it, and I hope you have fun doing it. So let's do 10. 10 is, ready, set, go. Cuando el reloj marca la 10, los esqueletos se duermen otra vez. All right. Buenas noches.
Cuando el reloj marca la 1, los esqueletos salen de su tumba. Tumba que tumba que tumba tumba tumba. Tumba que tumba que tumba tumba tumba. Cuando el reloj marca la 2, los esqueletos comen arroz. Tumba que tumba que tumba tumba tumba. Tumba que tumba que tumba tumba tumba. Cuando el reloj marca la 3, los esqueletos se vuelven al revés. Tumba que tumba que tumba tumba tumba. Tumba que tumba que tumba tumba tumba. Cuando el reloj marca las 4, los esqueletos se van al teatro. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Cuando el reloj marca las 5, los esqueletos se pegan un gran brinco. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Cuando el reloj marca las 6, los esqueletos juegan ajedrez. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Cuando el reloj marca las 7, los esqueletos se montan en cojete. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Cuando el reloj marca las 8, los esqueletos comen bizcocho. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Cuando el reloj marca las 9, los esqueletos todos se mueven. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Tumba, que tumba, que tumba, tumba, tumba. Cuando el reloj marca las 10, los esqueletos se duermen otra vez.